Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete call history in Snapchat app very easily. Please friends, subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write comments at the end of the video. And let's get to our topic. Please open the Snapchat app on your phone. And then in the top left corner, click on your profile picture. When you go to your Snapchat profile in the right-click on the gear. Next, you will need to scroll down until you find this section called Privacy Management. And here you'll need to select the first option, Clear Data. And then also here you'll need to select the first option. And that will take you to all of the calls that you've had on the Snapchat app. And in order to delete them, you'll just have to click on the cross like this in front of the call. And click Clear. As you can see, this way instantly clears all the calls. Yes, unfortunately, there is no function to delete all calls at once with one tap. You will have to delete all the calls one by one. But this is the only way to delete call history in Snapchat app. Dear friends, I really hope this video has helped you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and subscribe to this channel. See you soon.